one shot fire them dead.
Yeah.
Me pull up a shell of wet bread. When the brat a boss boy head them still a wet bed. So no talking thing enough said. Come in a Wells Fargo, me no take check. Me step the captain jump off the cargo ship a wreck. Kill
Word fucking play, bro. The cargo ship a wreck. Oh shit, brother. Bro, me tell you this and no job, never brought down. Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boss in our billing. And I just seen the title and I just seen the thumbnail, you know we are react to. We are react to a brand new DEVA BRATT. A DEVA BRATT when I just see drop maybe like an hour ago. Me a drive come from work and I listen to a snippet of that song and by listening to the song before I not even reach far in the song, like 2 seconds or 3 seconds in the song, I hear the beat drop and I hear the dog drop the vocals on the song and I'm like, shit, brother, that song really and truly need a reaction and a review, cause trust me, bro, that song by DEVA BRATT name, me nah go, brother, the man in that song, brother, just piece of the song alone, bro, and me I tell you, say, it'll go hard. So, ready, and let's get it going in another brand new DEVA BRATT reaction here. And you know it go already, man. Like and subscribe and comment in the comment section and keep that post notification bell on. And you know it go already, man. A mad thing, let's jump right into it. DEVA BRATT.
a one shot fire them dead. Me pull up a shell of wet bread. When the brat a boss boy head them still a wet bed. So not
We got to stop it right there. We got to give a break for a few seconds and just... We got to commend DEVA BRATT and how active he has made the dancehall scene. Because we see Sean Storm jump out. We see Khago jump out, you know, Ratneg jump out in a different style, and he want to take on the Gaza camp, and at the same speed, he might take on DEVA BRATT. So, DEVA BRATT, another one name, nah go. So, let's see who might take shots at.
talking thing enough said. Come in a Wells Fargo, me no take check. Me step the captain jump off the cargo ship a wreck.
Stop that, sir. Alright, me know say I take some shots. Because knowing DEVA BRATT, we know say DEVA BRATT now go just easy back and make Khago take some shots off of him. And we know say Khago take some shots off of him. And Sean Storm also jump out with a song, no capping or something like so. Capping or something. Me not even listen to the song, because to be honest, Sean Storm the warrior, you're not ready for that warrior with a DEVA BRATT that. And as me say in a previous reaction, bro, a cartel alone can't take on DEVA BRATT. Cartel alone. So, by the start of the rhythm, you know say it's a monster already, so you know how it go already. DEVA BRATT, I don't know nobody normal to play with. And the man, from the first few lines of the song, the man take a shots off a Khago, so you know say his ship a sink, rotten egg, and what you gonna do? You wake up a monster, bro?
The farm kill the farmer, I bake on me left eye. Anywhere me gun can go, me go. Bust them head like a buckle of my skull.
Where you get the rhythm from, bro? Where the man get the rhythm from, brother? Khago, you wake up a liar, then no dog, you don't know what you do right now, no dog. How where the man get the rhythm from? DEVA BRATT, the man that deal with the rhythm and way, dog. The man a monsterized the rhythm, dog. I never know if that's a fucking word, bro. He a monsterized the rhythm, dog. The man a damage the rhythm, dog. Pull up a song again, DEVA BRATT. I really need to take a breather, bro. I just come from work. And honestly, bro, I told myself that I wasn't gonna listen to this song while coming home. I'm just gonna react to it, review it as I go along into the verses and the chorus and the lyrics and everything. And brother, this song a chop already and it not reach far.
A one shot fire them dead.
Yeah.
Me pull up a shell of wet bread. When the brat a boss boy head them still a wet bed. So no talking thing enough said. Come in a Wells Fargo, me no take check. Me step the captain jump off the cargo ship a wreck.
Word fucking play, bro. The Khago ship a wreck. Oh shit, brother. Bro, me tell you this and no job, DEVA BRATT, dog. He wasn't my artist from that longer time. I never really take into him, but Bro, DEVA BRATT ain't something to play with, brother. Y'all need to give this man a break now, cause the man a fuck up the game and the man at up a place from the year start and we see it for ourselves, it a work.
Man walk on the farm, kill the farmer, a bake on the left eye. Anyone me
Bumbo clot. Go on the farm and kill the farmer, bake on my left. Who are the farmer? Tell me in the comment section. Who are the farmer, bro? DEVA BRATT I take some shots, you know. Some clinical shots. Yeah, which side the man usually play for? And which Premier League side DEVA BRATT play for? Or which side him bring? Because some shots with him a take. Some clinical, world-class shots. DEVA BRATT, go in and go again.
Bust them head like a buckle of mascara. Mercy me now, go full up in the logo. Me now left me go like a sizzle, no left Margo. Shot in the face, playing a show like a Paulo. Skull crack in a beer and I never have a...
Bro, the rhythm ya sound like the rhythm of my ear, my father, pan dog. Anyway, you know the rhythm there when my father I deal with popcorn dog, the rhythm ya sound like the rhythm ya dog. But me nah take no credit from the man dog, but honestly dog, the rhythm ya a war rhythm. The look of rhythm when you see Sean Sam drop pan dog. That's not rhythm and him just a speed fast, we can't even understand, bro. We not even go too far another song, but bro, DEVA BRATT I mash up this dog. What the fuck did he just say? Brother, the aggression. The man say pum pum juice, Khago swallow. Oh Lord, pull up again, dog. Pull up that part there. Pull up that piece there.
Shot in the face, playing a show like a Paulo. Skull crack in a beer and I never avocado. DEVA BRATT never call you. Pum pum juice, you a swallow.
Khago, where you wake him man up for? He man say him never call you. How will you wake him up for dance all nice again? And them you rhythm where I talk about with war rhythm. Rhythm will come with aggression. The lyrics are chopped like iron.
And the world now them can't cope. Rise the rifle with the stand where you scan and scope. Them never rise a ratchet and bust what you
no.
When time is a carnage, a real blood sport. Him back gun pong, tell them drag him back in a...
Him back gun pong, girl, them drag him back in a court. Yo, Khago, you better willing and ready for that war, yeah. Cause DEVA BRATT bring it to your dog. You wake him up and the man bring it to your dog.
Quote say him a go fi bus come support more this a joke. It's as him drive through the toll me have him at periscope. Shot the fish out of the water, watch his scale him afloat. I fuck face, anywhere me come can go.
Hey, fuck face, how get that piece? Hey, DEVA BRATT, the clinical shots them we are take, brother. Me have to listen to the song keenly. For listen who we are take shots at cause them so clinical. You don't even call name. But you take some shots dog. You can't Khago name. You say something about Sean Stam, him try cross the toll and him can't go. Bro, DEVA BRATT, bro. DEVA BRATT go so hard, dog. You know, that song, this is a real true meaning of where we are going to see. This is a real true meaning of talent. And this we are going to signify DEVA BRATT and single him out as somebody different, dog. You can't take him like that.
Me now go bust them head like a buckle of mascara. Mercy me now go pull up in the logo. Me now left me go like a sizzle, no left Margo. Shot in the face, playing a show like a Paulo. Skull crack in a beer and I never avocado. DEVA BRATT never call you. Bumbo clock fucking retard you.
Pussy clot, brother. I can't get enough of the rhythm. Bumbo clot retard you. I Khago man I deal with so dog. Oh shit. I didn't even notice the title of the song name. Khago DISS. Khago DISS. Khago get the whole of this here. Khago, bro. Bro, let me see if I look at right and proper. Cause bro, I'm losing it for this fucking song, dog. John Walk, Khago, you draw out DEVA BRATT. And you make the man have to put his neck in your throat, his foot in your throat, dog. You make him man have to put him foot in your throat, Khago. Pull up that part there, hey.
Cameraman a pitch that. Say you a sky got drunk up. No bitch fuck.
Pull up that part there.
Shot in the face, playing a show like a Paulo. Skull crack in a beer and I never avocado. DEVA BRATT never call you. Bumbo clock fucking retard you. Step on the internet a chat, yip. Gun rise, click like cameraman a pitch that. Say you a sky got drunk up. No bitch.
Oh, I like that flow. That flow is killing my chest, bro. That flow was They on the internet a chit chat, yip, lip, lap, yap, yap. Bumbo click, DEVA BRATT. Brother, you keep proving it, bro. Me have to give you the props now, but you keep proving yourself for these niggas, fam. You keep proving yourself with these niggas, fam. You above these niggas, bro. Nobody can test you right now, bro. Only fucking Cartel, dog. Cause, bro, come like the man harder than even Cartel. Look how the man a deal with them, man. Man a deal with the man them like a rugrat. Bumbo clean.
Dress like a gal in a nightgown. Flip flop, shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Slip flop, like a slash comedian. Chris Rock running for implantation with the chip clock. Legal conflict, me contact for the strap. Anywhere me come can go, me nah go.
Hey, the chorus, mad. Anywhere me go can go, me nah go. Bumbo clot. Yo, pull up a blood clot song, dog. This have to play in a blood clot party. Me, I tell you that. This have to play in a blood clot party. The way it sound in a car, imagine this in a dance, dog. Yo, DEVA BRATT, one of them.
Fire them dead, me pull up a shell away.
I want shot fire them dead. Pull up this blood clot.
Whenever that a boss boy, and them still
Pull up this blood clot. Hey.
I want shot fire them dead. Me pull up a shell of wet bread. Whenever that a boss boy, and them still a wet bread. Enough said. Come in a Wells Fargo, come in a tech check. Me step the captain, jump off the cargo ship a wreck. Hunter kill bird in the sky, fish in a net. Man walk on the farm, kill the farmer.
DEVA BRATT, I hope you don't copyright this freaking song, because I'm not about to get copyright strike, fam. Because this song right now, this is the end of the reaction, bro. But I'm gonna run this song right out with no interruption. Because, bro, the song is hard, dog. The song hard. So let's just let the song just run right out.
You call me left eye. Anywhere me come can go, me nah go. Bust them head like a buckle of mascara. Mercy me nah go, pull up in the logo. Me nah left me go like a sizzle, no left Margo. Shot in the face, playing a show like a Palo. Skull crack in a beer and I never avocado. DEVA BRATT never call you up. Pump Jones, you a swallow. To jump in the palm now, them can't cope. Rise the rifle with the stand where you scan and scope. Them never rise a ratchet and bust one shot. When time is a carnage, a real blood sport. One, tell them drug him back in a quote. Say motherfuckers collect support, more this a joke. As him drive through the toll, me have him at periscope. Shot the fish out of the water, watch his kill him afloat. I hope fierce, anywhere me come can go. Me nah go, bust them head like a buckle of mascara. Mercy me nah go, pull up in the logo. Me nah left me go like a sizzle, no left Margo. Shot in the face, brain a show like a Palo. Skull crack in a beer and I never avocado. DEVA BRATT never call you. Bumba clock fucking retarded. Then let that chat, gun rise, click, clock, cameraman a pitch that. Say you a sky got drunk up, no pitch box. Dress like a gal in a nightgown.
Yeah, Khago, yeah, dog. Khago, dead you fuck, dog.
Shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Slip flop, like a slash comedian. Chris Rock running for implantation with the chip clock. Legal conflict, me contact for the strap. Anywhere me come can go, me nah go. Bust them head like a buckle of mascara. Mercy me nah go, pull up in the logo. Them toss them show head, bust and never marble. Shot in the face, brain a show like a Palo. Skull crack in a beer and I never avocado. DEVA BRATT never call you. Francine pussy juice you a swallow.
One more clear, man, say Khago and swallow him white pussy juice to rascal. Francine pussy, hey!
Inna the palm now, them can't cope. Rise the rifle with this stand where you scan and scope. Them never rise a ratchet and bust one shot. When time is a carnage, a real blood sport. Him back one, tell them drag him back in a quote. Say him a go fi bus come support, more this a joke. As him drive through the toll, me have him in periscope. Shut the fish out of the water.
Play the rhythm, play the rhythm.
Anywhere me gun can go, me nah go. Like a buckle of mascara. Pin on the logo.
This hard, dog. This hard, dog. Yo, bro. This hard, dog. This is hard, bro. Tell me what you guys think about this reaction, bro, and the song, bro. Let me know what you guys think about this DEVA BRATT song, Menago. And you know how it is already, man. I vibes and insight with another one. Another banging reaction. And you know what it is already, man. Let's get it. Mad, I'm out. Peace.